Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the ECU, also known as engine computer fuses, are located. You may have up to 5 fuses. Make sure to stay until the end. Some are inside the vehicle, some are outside, and we're going to cover all that today. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the food, well, you can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover, and that's where the fuses are. So what we did guys, we actually took a picture of the fuse box inside, that way we can show you with a great detail where the fuse is located. Otherwise it's impossible for us to get the camera, my hand, light at the same time and show you with a great detail where guys that fuse is located. On the back side of your fuse box cover, okay, inside the vehicle, the one that we showed you, you will have the fuses listed, and the one that we need to check is known as IG1. It's a 20 amp fuse. So if you come to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th row all the way down, this last fuse guys, this 20 amp fuse, this is for the engine computer, so check this fuse guys, very important fuse. Now you have a few more fuses guys for that ECU. So when you open the fuse box, that's actually guys in the engine compartment right here. Okay, you have one clip here, one there, squish, pull up. On the back side you have the fuses printed. What we did actually, we printed the paper so we can show you with a great detail, but that layout here corresponds to what we have exactly right here guys. And the first fuse that you need to check, it's known as fuse EMS guys, EMS, okay, that 40 amp fuse. So if you come right here, that fuse right here, that's the one that you need to check for the engine computer as well. Now we have a special video that explains how to test fuses, and it takes only a few seconds, so we recommend to check it out guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Always check them, because if you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in, you spend so much time and money to fix your Kia Optima guys, it's not worth it. All we had to do, test the fuse, find out it's bad and replace it. And if you need to buy replacement fuses, we'll put the links in the description of the video below. Now, where are the other 3 fuses that we need to check guys? Okay, you actually have another fuse that's known as ECU1. This is a 30 amp fuse, and if you come right here, that's the fuse, okay, that we have specifically right here. That fuse is the one that you need to check guys. Okay, this is very important fuse as well, so check this one out. Now you have a few more fuses guys. Okay, one of them is known as ECU number 3. Okay, this is a 15 amp fuse, so if you come right here, you're going to count, okay, 1, 2, 3, that 15 amp fuse that you have guys. Okay, right here, that's the fuse that you need to check as well. And the last fuse guys that you need to check is known as ECU number 4, and that's a 10 amp fuse, and it's this fuse, okay, right here. So those are the 5 fuses guys for your engine computer on Kia Optima. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.